2 years, 7 sets stress-free machines. Let's take a look at how this client has performed so well in this field. This is one of the workshops, which is 800 square meters. It has 3 sets 2-meter stress-free machines and 1 set of 1.5-meter stress-free machine. These 2 sets is for making the big jumbo rolls. It is producing 2 rolls of 1-meter stress-free. The speed is running now is 196 meters per minute. One beside is producing 3 rolls of 500 mm. Overseas customer import the jumbo roll and then rewinding or slitting accordingly. Other 2 machines are used for making the smaller rolls for hand use. Jumbo roll stretching machine is suitable for making 5 to 50 kg per roll for exporting, and the other 2 is suitable for making 3 to 30 kg per roll for both hand use and pallet wrapping. This machine is easy operation and very stable. Please contact me if you are interested. Thank you for watching.